Hi everyone, it's me again, Thales from Brazil. And today's unboxing is more than special because I've been waiting for this for a while. First, because you know that I'm completely obsessed with Lavivid hair systems. And second, because it's a new technology, a new product from Lavivid. Here we go! As you know, our orders arrive super safe and sealed. The system comes in this box, they're my huge fan, and I really love it. And at the bottom of the box, there are care tips to make your hair last for a long time. The Lavivid Nicolas hair system is a meticulously crafted mono-base hair replacement system for men. Nicolas base is highly popular choice among hair system salons. It is structured with mono material at the top, reinforced PU around the perimeter, and bleached lace in the front. It features a bold scallop-shaped PU edge in the front, connecting with the lace. This design makes the entire base very strong, easily manageable, and allows the hair to flow just like real hair. This specially crafted base is very easy to work with, making application, removal, and cleaning process much more straightforward. The knots in the front are well bleached, offering a very natural and undetectable hairline, allowing you to expose your hairline and achieve a slicked back hairstyle. I'm really looking forward to installing my system and trying out this new look, which besides being beautiful, will help me a lot in my day-by-day life. My new hair and I are waiting for you in the next video. Don't forget to follow Lavivid here and on the social medias. Kisses!